The history of relational databases began in the 1960s when Edgar F, a computer scientist at IBM, published a paper titled A Relational Model of Data for Large Shared Data Banks. In this paper, Cott outlined the principles of a new way to organize and store data that would eventually revolutionize the way we manage information. Cott's relational model was based on the idea of tables, which are collections of related data items. Each table has a set of columns, which define the different attributes of the data, and a set of rows, which represent individual instances of the data. Relationships between tables are defined using foreign keys, which are columns in one table that reference the primary key of another table. The relational model had several advantages over the existing data models at the time, such as hierarchical and network models. It was simpler to understand and use, and it made it easier to query and manipulate data. As a result, the relational model quickly gained popularity, and by the 1980s, relational database management systems were the dominant type of database. One of the first commercially successful RDBMS was Oracle, which was released in 1979. Oracle was followed by a number of other RDBMS, such as Ingres, Sybase, and Informix. These RDBMS were used to store and manage data for a wide variety of applications, including business, government, and scientific applications. In the 1990s, the development of object-oriented programming led to the development of object-oriented databases. OODBs were designed to model real-world objects and their relationships more closely than relational databases. However, OODBs never gained widespread popularity, and they are now largely used for specialized applications. In the 2010s, the emergence of big data led to the development of NoSQL databases. NoSQL databases are not based on the relational model, and they are designed to handle large amounts of data that is unstructured or does not fit neatly into tables. NoSQL databases are now widely used for web applications and other applications that generate large amounts of data. Today, relational databases are still the most widely used type of database. However, NoSQL databases are becoming increasingly popular, and they are likely to play an increasingly important role in the future of data management. Here are some of the key milestones in the history of relational databases. Times 1970, Edgar F. publishes a relational model of data for large shared data banks. Times 1979, Oracle, the first commercially successful RDBMS, is released. 1980s, RDBMS has become the dominant type of database. 1990s, OODBs are developed. 2002, NoSQL databases are developed. Today, relational databases are still the most widely used type of database, but NoSQL databases are becoming increasingly popular.